Okay, let's get to work. We're gonna prepare our stuffing for our chicken. Start out by chopping up some fresh parsley, mincing some garlic, and dicing some onion. Here I'm breaking apart some mushrooms. You can chop them up here as well. Otherwise, I'll be chopping them later. Add some oil to a pan, low heat. We'll add in our garlic or onion and get those slightly cooked. Next, I'll add in the mushrooms, and then I'm going to cover them. And this is going to allow them to boil a little bit and remove all of that water. That takes about a minute. I'll then remove the lid and I'll season this up with some salt and pepper. Next, I've added in that fresh parsley. I'll just bring all of those flavors together and then remove it from the heat. I'm now going to go ahead and chop everything up and let it cool before I stuff the chicken. Now I'm going to set that nice mixture aside and prepare the puff pastry. I'm just going to roll it out and then divide this into 4 equal pieces. Use the edge of your knife just to score that, and you'll see it's kind of stretchy too, so it's very easy to work with. Here I'm going to use my knife to slit open that chicken and create a nice size pocket that I'm going to be able to fill up with my nice mixture that I've prepared. We'll make sure here that our pocket is nice and firmly packed, and then we'll use that little flap of chicken to fold over and tuck everything in. And now we'll use our puff pastry and we're going to wrap this fairly tightly. If it breaks, not to worry, you'll just be able to pinch the ends together and have a nice fold done on your chicken breast. I'm going to show you the process again on a second chicken breast here so you can make sure you master the technique. It's very easy to do once you've done it once or twice. We go done and done. So a little bit of olive oil on some parchment paper, which is on my baking tray. That's just to ensure that nothing sticks to it. I'll go ahead and add those wrapped chicken breasts. And then I have my egg wash prepared. I'm going to baste each one very thoroughly and make sure they're nice and coated before I put them in the oven. I do have the oven preheated, 390 degrees. I'm going to cook these for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. So there you go, our stuffed chicken. It's all ready to go in the oven. About 30-35 minutes. I've got it preheated at 390 degrees. We're gonna check on it after about 30 minutes. They should be nice, golden brown, fluffy, crispy. These are gonna taste absolutely delicious. I've got a great cream sauce that's gonna be going along with this. Some steamed carrots and asparagus. It's gonna really complete the dish nicely. Okay, here you go. Everything is cooking nicely. They're getting nice and golden brown. And the finished product, these just smell absolutely fantastic. Okay, so there you go. Our chicken is finished. We're gonna leave it rest for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna get our cream sauce started. We've got that nice little mini cheesecake as our dessert. I've also got the asparagus and the carrots steaming. This dinner is gonna be fantastic. These smell absolutely delicious. This is just gonna be an amazing dinner. Our sauce, we'll go ahead and add some olive oil, mustard seed. We'll get that nice and sauteed, and there's the essence, the nice white wine. It's your duty as the cook to always test everything, including the wine. We'll make sure we reduce that down by about half. So I'm just cooking out the alcohol from the cream sauce right now before I add in the cream. Okay, I'm adding in about 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to season everything up with some salt and pepper. We'll bring that around to a slight boil, and then we'll let it simmer. You're cooking for one. You can drink right from the bottle. And look at that inside. You can see it for you. That's better. This delicious cream sauce. That's it. Stuffed chicken, mushrooms, onion, parsley, a whole lot of great flavors in there, and a beautiful mustard cream sauce. This is gonna taste out of this world. I know it, I can smell it. Let's give this one a try. I'm gonna get right in here. Oh, perfect. Boom! Again with that light. This tastes absolutely incredible. If there was a dish you needed to try, this is it right here. It is absolutely out of this world. Mwah. Wow. Incredible, incredible flavor combination. Look, that we've got a nice crust and the chicken is cooked just perfectly in there. Incredible. Incredible.